Welcome to Navsari, a city witnessing colonial trade, Jamshedji Tata's birth, and Gandhi's Dandi March. The city is located in the southern part of the Indian state of Gujarat. Steeped in rich history and cultural heritage, it holds a special place as a significant urban center in the region. Navsari is renowned for its diverse tapestry of traditions, blending the old world charm with modern developments. Our journey through Navsari unveils not just its past but also its visionary future, as depicted in the outline development plan, meticulously crafted by the students of the Planning Department at the School of Planning and Architecture, New Delhi, extending to the year 2043. In Gujarat, Navsari lies approximately 37 kilometers southeast of the city of Surat and about 300 kilometers south of the state capital, Gandhinagar.
In Navsari's history, a significant chapter is its association with the Parsi community. In the 8th century, fleeing persecution, Zoroastrians found refuge. Navsari, a key settlement for Parsis, hosts the Meherjirana Fire Temple, a cultural landmark. Post-independence, Navsari grew into a hub for agriculture, industry, and education, contributing to Gujarat's development. Today, it thrives, merging historical legacy with modernity. Navsari experiences a tropical climate, typical of the Indian subcontinent. Hot, dry summers, refreshing monsoons, and mild, pleasant winters embracing diverse weather experiences year-round. Nestled in the lap of nature, Navsari is surrounded by lush greenery and scenic landscapes, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. Its strategic location along the banks of the Purna River adds to the overall allure of the city.
The topography of the region is characterized by a mix of plains and gentle slopes. The landscape around Navsari is predominantly agricultural. The Purna River not only influences the fertility of the soil but also adds a scenic element to the surroundings. Navsari is also celebrated for its cultural and religious diversity. The city hosts a mosaic of festivals, reflecting the harmonious coexistence of various communities. Navsari, well linked by road with NH48, boasts a central railway station connecting major cities and accessible via Surat International Airport.
Our preliminary survey in Navsari revealed a scarcity of recreational spaces and congestion in the old city core. Concerns are growing about the lack of available public transport. Initial talks with residents emphasized the adverse effects of annual flooding from the Purna River, hindering city functions for 2 months. Youth express concerns about limited job opportunities and a local recession in Navsari's diamond polishing industry. As we delve into the outline development plan of Navsari 2043, developed through studio discussions, faculty reviews, and primary surveys, we witness a sectorial approach focusing on regional setting, demography, socioeconomics, land use, industry, trade, commerce, housing, transportation, infrastructure, tourism, urban design, environment, and governance.
We intend to dive deeper into the issues through a comprehensive analysis of the data gathered during our 15-day stay at Navsari, through primary surveys, supplemented by secondary data from various organizations and sources. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Navsari's rich tapestry, a city whose past whispers through its streets and whose future unfolds through the vision of its development plan.